Understand what I'm saying? After
Yeah,
eating,
sir, I'm understand.
that one you have to put it on the dishwasher.
Dishwasher. Okay, sir.
Put it away is putting into the dishwasher. That's all.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, Raman 16.
16. They announced the concert. Does the radio this morning? On the radio this
Radio,
morning,
on
sir.
TV, on radio. Very nice.
They,
Very nice.
they announced the concert on the radio this morning.
Yeah, always remember this kind of big exams, they will ask the on TV, on radio. Indians, we used to use in instead of on. That's wrong. So the 17, Kanishka.
Tom is so good at maths. He dash help you with your homework. He will.
He will possibility is the second best answer. There is a
He
he's so
can
good.
help you.
He can help you. That's the one. He will means
Oh, the
you
Tom
are
is good
forcing him to help.
at math.
You are
He can
forcing him
help
to
you
help.
with your
That's
homework.
kind of sound rude. So you go with can. Can is right. Kanishka again 18.
Dash were many people at the concert.
Concert. No concert. Concert is
Concert
different
on
meaning. Concert is
Concert,
different meaning.
and it
Concert.
was hard to move around. There were many people.
Superb dummy subject. Very, very nice.
yeah,
That's
there
a
were
dummy subject we keep using all the time. There were many people at the concert and it was hard to move around. So it's a very rhythmic language. English is just give that kind of modulation that so that you can easily understand.
sir. Oh, I have one doubt, sir. Why, sir? I have one more doubt, sir. The 18. It won't come that they were at the they won't come, sir.
No, they will
They
not come
were.
because many people are here. So
Yeah,
that
okay, okay.
they is
Thank you, sir.
represented with that.
There. Oh, thank you, sir.
Yes, 19 Raman.
Would we have 2 pizzas to take task, please? Would we have 2 pizza to take away, please?
Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Superb.
Yes, sir.
That's takeaway. Superb. Kanishka 20.
Dash last, we reached the top of the mountain and the views are spectacular.
Spectacular. Spectacular. Can you read it again?
Spectacular.
Yeah. But you must have read the spectacular word several times, isn't it?
Last.
You must have read, isn't it, Kanishka?
What's that?
You must have read the word spectacular earlier also, right? நீங்க படிச்சிருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? Spectacular.
Yes, sir.
But somehow
Yes, sir.
you missed
The spectacular place, nice place.
Yeah. Can we get it? Can we get this word?
Spectacular.
No. Can we get this word?
Okay, dash the last.
That should be fairly easy. 2 letters.
On last, sir.
No, 2 letters.
At last.
At last.
Last.
At last. Oh God. Oh, sorry. At last.
Yes.
At last we reach the
Raman,
top of the mountain.
Yeah. Can we do 21?
Yeah. He's studying hard in dash to pass the test.
Popular one. Lot of exams. The Cambridge exams, they will ask this.
He's studying hard in.
Easy. Once I tell the answer, it becomes so easy.
He's studying hard. In.
Kanishka, help us.
He's
Studying hard in. He's studying hard.
To dash the pass the test.
All right. It's a 5-letter word starting with O.
Over.
Oh, 4 letters. Over is 4 letters. We want 5 letters.
He is studying hard in.
One has been told 4 more letters.
Along.
No, you can figure it out when I say the next letter.
Oh,
O-R, 3 more letters. 3 more letters.
He's studying hard in.
You guys have to start reading some good English books, newspaper and all. You have to start listening. O-R-D, 2 letters.
Ordered.
Yeah, in order to. You look at that in order to.
Oh, sorry.
In order.
He's studying hard in order
to pass the test. Write it down. In order to pass the test. Write it down.
Studying hard in.
Very nicely they have given in and to. In between order they have removed.
hard in order to.
We all know in order, isn't it, Raman sir? We know, we
Yes, sir.
all,
It's correct, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In order. It's correct, sir.
but here it's not really, it didn't come to the mind. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And
Yeah,
it
forgot,
Because
sir.
hard in it is came along, so I got stuck this way.
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm also get confused actually.
yeah, but once you practice more and more, next 30 minutes, you see that the improvement that comes, because only 40-50 words, they keep coming back and forth. Kanishka 22.
He handed her a beautiful diamond, and Dash was cut into a heart shape. It was
Oh, you cannot have a eat because there is no
handed a
full stop here
beautiful
to start the
diamond
new sentence.
and beautiful diamond.
You came close though, but you cannot have a eat because there is no comma, there is no full stop. There is no full stop, especially to start a new sentence. So it has to be kind of a conjunctive.
Sir, maybe that was cut into the
That
heart
is
shape.
American. That is American. You can also go which
That-
British.
Which
Yeah. So that
Oh.
was cut in 22. Very
that
important.
was cut into heart shape. Okay.
A lot of
Sir,
high
which is actually UK, sir.
which
using-
generally, yeah, Americans they don't use much of which. They,
Oh.
they go with that.
Okay, so while coming the which, I am always getting confusion. Okay, which was cut
Right.
into the heart shape. Okay, sir.
All right. 23.
I need to
Kanishka,
try.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I need to try dash this test before I decide to buy it. I need to try.
Try out this dress.
No, where you have two words. Where ரெண்டா உடைச்சா இந்த ரெண்டு வார்த்தை தான் வரும். It will be broken into two. Where.
To try.
Try. நீங்க இதுக்கெல்லாம் துணி கடைக்கு போனாக்க
I need to try. Do this dress.
try dash ன்னு கேட்போம் அந்த ஷாப்கீப்பரை.
Try up.
No, 2 letters.
Try on.
Try on. Try on.
Try on.
where?
Okay.
Try
Try
on.
on. Okay.
Try on.
I need to try on this dress
You can
before
write
I
it. Try
buy
on
it.
equals where. WER. 24 Kanishka.
At the park, Dash were many people playing games and having picnics. At the park, there were many people.
There you go. You have done a similar one. Very good job.
But that
25 Raman.
Yeah. Over time, the small startup turned as a multi-million dollar company.
Important question it is.
Turned as a multi-million-dollar company.
Can you repeat the answer?
Turned over a multi-million dollar company, sir.
Can you repeat the answer again?
Over time, the small startup turned over a multi-million dollar company.
No, 4-letter but different word.
Over time, the small startup turned as a multi-million-dollar company.
No, it's not 2 letters. It's going to be 4 letters.
Startup.
4 letters. Classic English.
Over time, the
Turned
small.
away as a
No,
multi-million.
starting with the I, 4 letters. 3 letters are remaining. Turned.
Turned inside here.
Oh, inside is 6 letters.
Over time, the small startup
I want only 4 letters.
turned into a.
Can you repeat?
Into.
There you
Turned
go. There you
turned
go.
into a
Write it
multi-million
down.
dollar company.
Turned into a multi-million dollar. You have to look at the word
Over
left
time,
the
the
dash.
small
and
startup
right the
turned
dash.
into a multi-million dollar company.
Yeah, both left of the dash and right of the dash. You have to look at to finalize it. You have to read it complete to finalize the word. Yes, Mr. Raman, 26. Simon.
Simon wasn't tired. Dash all despite the long journey. Simon was not tired. Dash all the despite the long journey.
Wasn't tired.
So-
Simon wasn't tired, but all.
Oh, despite the long journey. Look at the despite, negative word. Despite the long journey, even though he had a long journey, he wasn't
Simon
tired.
was not tired. for all despite the long journey, sir. For all வராதா sir? I think
Duty days. Oh,
for all, no. Simon wasn't tired on all despite the long journey. Simon is
Simon wasn't tired, dash all despite
of
the long
all.
journey.
Of all, sir.
Why? We should know. I mean, this should be straightforward. 2 letters.
At all.
At all.
Oh,
Wow.
at all. Oh God.
Wow.
Very
Very
good.
good. Write it down.
Simon wasn't tired at all.
At all
at the long
despite.
journey.
லுக் அட் தட் ரொம்ப லாங் ஜர்னி அவர் என்னதான் போயிருந்தாலும் டயர்டே ஆகல அவரு அப்படிங்கிறது அது. ஸோ தமிழ்ல வந்து உங்க மதர் டங்ல கம்ப்ளீட்டா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டா ரொம்ப ஈஸியா ஆன்சர் நோக்கி போயிடலாம். 27 கனிஷ்கா 27.
Do you feel dash cooking dinner or should we order pizza? Do you feel tired?
That's the opposite word. Do you feel tired means we are going to order pizza, but or they are going with the R. You can't have a tired.
Do you feel
Should we order
Do you
pizza?
feel food cooking dinner? Oh, sorry.
Do you feel look at that, or should be ordered pizza? So pizza வந்து ஒரு பார்ட் வச்சிட்டாங்க, ஒரு பார்ட் பண்றது, இன்னொரு பார்ட் வந்து குக் பண்றது வச்சிருக்காங்க. So what Kanishka was saying is opposite. Do you feel tired?
Sir, do you feel like cooking dinner?
There you go. Very good.
Thank you, sir. Do you feel like cooking dinner?
Note it down. Do you feel like cooking? Do you feel like cooking? Cook
should we
பண்றோமா
order pizza?
இல்ல pizza order பண்ணுவோமா? Cook பண்றோமா இல்ல pizza order பண்ணுவோமா? Do you feel like cooking dinner or should we order pizza? Right. Very good.
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Raman 28.
Yeah. As when he was traveling on the other side of the world, Tom always kept in touch with
With his family.
with his family. Touch with his family. Even when he was traveling on the other side of the world,
Yeah.
Tom always kept in touch with his family.
அதுக்கு தமிழ்ல என்னன்னு நீங்க தெளிவா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அவரு உலகத்துல எந்த மூலையில இருந்தாலும் எப்பயுமே அவர் ஃபேமிலியோட டச் வச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்காரு அப்படிங்கிறது தான்.
ஓகே சார். ஆமா சார். அப்பப்போ அந்த தமிழ்ல சொல்லி இது பண்ணாதான் சார் கொஞ்சம் புரியுதுங்க. இல்லைன்னா கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிடுறேன் சார்.
ஓகே, நம்ம அப்படியே பார்க்கலாம், அப்படியே பார்த்து இது பண்ணிக்கலாம். சோ
சரி சார்.
அவர் வந்து இன்னொரு சைடு வேர்ல்ட்ல இன்னொரு சைடுக்கு அவர் போனாலும்
இன்னொரு சைடு வேர்ல்ட்ல இருந்தாலுமே ஆனா அவங்க வந்து அவங்க பேரண்ட்ஸோட ஃபேமிலியோட கொஞ்சம் டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணி டச்லயே இருக்காங்க.
டச் வச்சிருக்காரு, போன்ல பேசி
டச் வச்சிருக்காரு. ஓகே சார்.
4 letters. 4 letters starting with the E.
சார் ஈவன் சார். ஈவன்.
There you go.
ஈவன். Super.
Kanishka 29.
Can you make dash your mind about which colored curtains you want? Can you make sure?
Make sure your mind வராது. அது என்ன சொன்னாங்க, கர்டன்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, விண்டோஸ்ல விண்டோ துணி வந்து நீங்க வந்து டிசைட் பண்ண முடியுமா, எந்த கலர் வேணும்னு டிசைட் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு கேக்குறாங்க.
Can you make
2 letters. டிசைட் பண்றதுக்கு இது 2 வார்த்தை தான், அது phrasal verb.
Can you make up your mind? Make up your mind.
அடுத்து வராது. 2 letters வேற ஏதோ வர போகுது.
Can you make on?
Make on வராது.
Can you make
அதுக்கு 2 மீனிங் இருக்கு. நம்ம அடிக்கடி யூஸ் பண்ற, தமிழ்நாட்டுல யூஸ் பண்ற மீனிங் வேர்ட் தான் அது.
Can you make?
கமலஹாசன் பார்த்தா இதுதான் சொல்ல தோணும். அப்பயே இது பண்ணாரு அவரு 96லயே.
Can you make dash your mind about which colors?
make out your mind?
மேக் அவுட்ங்கிறது வேற மீனிங். ஆஹா, 2 letters.
Can you make up, sir?
Make up your mind. Decide.
Oh,
Make up ரெண்டு மீனிங்.
make up
ஒன்னு
your
decide.
mind.
Make up equals decide னு போடுங்க. Make up இன்னொரு மேக்கப் வந்து செட்டப் பண்றது.